Alright, let's take a look at this cooler. This is actually my first time looking at this and kind of unboxing this, so I guess I'll do a quick little review on this. So this is the Artic Liquid Freezer 2, 280 RGB, multiple compatibility, all-in-one CPU cooler with RGB. Get this open here. Hardware, more hardware. Wow. Oh, it comes pre-assembled. Well, that's something. Something you very rarely see. Fans are already installed, and it's zip tied and everything? Wow. So all of these cables run through here, go into this cable. And then that whole thing, it runs down this cable, goes through here, and then comes out the bottom. And this is, the pump is actually integrated into this. And there's a fan here as well. Okay. Let's see what this is. And we have another controller here with SATA power. Get a little bit of double-sided tape with that. And then this is the brackets for this. One thing I'm not seeing is I'm not seeing like a little instruction book in this. So I guess you're just kind of on your own. Online in different languages, so yeah, you're kind of on your own unless you, like if you're building your computer and it's your only computer, then you're kind of on your own. So this actually takes a step out for me. Like normally I would be working on putting this together. I don't actually need to, which is kind of nice. So I'm going to be using this kit. This is the back plate. Like I need to look at the instructions for this for sure. But like just looking at this, I'm mildly confused because this is the bracket for this thing. All right, I'm gonna need to pull up the instruction manual for this because this thing is unlike any cooler I've ever seen before. So I guess it's just good luck, and it's a guess. You can't do this, Arctic. You gotta tell people which screws to use where, because this is the fact that I'm guessing here, and your instruction manual says like nothing is a huge problem. Like you'd expect people to have common sense, but like even now, I don't know which way these go. Do these go this way or do these go this way? Because I can install them either way. I'm guessing it's this way, but the fact that I do not know for sure, again, we are guessing here. Sure, we'll call that good. Hey, thanks for watching that video. You can check out some of the other videos for more tech-related content. And if you want to catch me live, I am on Twitch at twitch.tv/SpecVengeance, Monday through Friday from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So come hang out, chat, and maybe learn a thing or two. Thanks for watching.